today?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm great too. Praveen, this is your first time with me, isn't it?
No, it's the second time.
Have I talked to you before? I'm sorry, I don't remember.
Yeah, we had already talked few
Uh-huh.
days back actually.
I don't remember. How are you today and how was your day going so far?
My day was pretty well. Had a enjoying my Sunday actually. So had a long nap today. Uh,
Yeah, Sundays are for naps, isn't it?
so what
I
about
also
you?
can't sleep during the day. That is my problem, I think.
So how did you enjoy your day? Enjoy your day, sorry.
Nothing really. I just ate ice cream. That was the best part of the day.
At ice cream.
Yeah, ice cream was the best part of the day. I know it's
Uh,
weird.
so, but I think you should avoid ice cream in these days actually. Doctor
Why?
suggesting that please avoid ice cream and all cold stuff to
Why? But why are people suggesting that?
because if you get any cold or any such type of symptoms, so it will be little bit
Difficult
bad,
to understand if it's
difficult
corona
to
or
yes,
what.
yes.
Makes sense. That makes sense. Okay, so have you gone through the session document today?
Yes, I have gone. I had gone through some initial PPTs. I mean,
Okay.
but
Okay, okay, okay.
yes,
Okay, there's really not much in this. It's a very simple topic, a very light-hearted topic. Okay, it talks about childhood.
yeah.
So, what comes to mind when I say childhood? What strikes your mind very quickly?
Uh, I don't remember exactly what I did in my childhood.
Okay.
So, what can I say? But we enjoyed till my schooling.
Okay.
If it comes under the childhood, then I can say I enjoyed my till my schooling. I think it's not come in a childhood, right? So school
Yeah.
part is school part is some in what can I say?
See, childhood is a period before adolescence. 12, before 12, you can say before 11, some say. But it's okay.
Okay,
I feel like childhood lasts for as long as you want it to last.
but I think childhood will remain still your uh, your death. I think.
That's
But
what I'm
whenever
saying. Yeah, yeah, absolutely, absolutely.
so we should not lost our childhood.
Yeah, yeah. So, what were you like when you were a child?
Uh, Play in dust and soil.
Okay, played in dust and all. Okay. So where were you born?
I born and brought up in Agra actually, and
You have to say, I was born and brought up in
I was
Agra.
born and brought up in Agra.
And where did you spend your childhood? There.
I spent my whole childhood, I mean entire childhood in Agra only.
Okay. And
So I lived in Agra till my graduation. Then
uh-huh.
I moved to Greater Noida for my post graduation.
Mm-hmm.
So you can say most of the time I enjoyed in Agra only.
Is it still your hometown? Do you still go to
Yeah,
Agra?
yeah, yeah, yeah. Still,
Wonderful.
I'm in Agra. Recently, I'm in Agra right now.
Okay, that is wonderful. So, tell me, what games did you play in your childhood, and which was your favorite game?
As far as I remembered, I played Mario as a
Mhm.
video game.
Okay.
So it was my favorite game. And sometimes I played Contra. Did you remember about that? Some fighting game. It's a Contra.
Oh, and
Do you remember
any
about Mario?
I remember Mario. Yeah, I remember Mario.
Okay.
I don't remember Contra. There was this another game that everyone in our school used to play. It was a military game where.
That was Contra. That was Contra.
Are you sure that was Contra?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
In which people used to the one person used to choose the fighter, and then I think he used to change guns and all of that.
Yeah, yeah. That was Contra. Yes.
That was Contra?
Yeah, yeah.
Are you sure that was Contra? I think its name was something else. It,
No,
it had a
I
lot
think
of
that was.
speeches, and the man
You
used to
have to.
carry an
Yeah,
AK-47
yeah.
to shoot people. He used to go to
You have
another
to.
state.
Yeah, you have to shoot and you have to climb in different hills and all.
Okay, okay, yeah. That's it. You could change the weapons also, right? Someone.
Weapons, yes, yes.
Okay, that was Contra. I don't remember. Oh my God. Uh, and any outdoor game that you remember playing?
What did you say?
Outdoor game, outdoor game.
Outdoor game. Yeah. So I used to play cricket.
Oh wow. So who was
Yes.
your favorite player?
That time, Sachin was my favorite.
Sachin was your favorite. Who's your favorite now?
Yeah. Now Kohli is my favorite.
Oh yeah, Kohli is everybody's favorite, isn't he?
Yeah.
So tell me, how old were you when you were taught or when you learned how to ride a bicycle?
I think I learned how to ride bicycle. That time I was in a fifth standard.
Okay.
So
Is there any story that you would like to share?
don't
Not
remember
really.
exactly.
Didn't you break someone's glasses or
No, 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 not at
fell
all.
down from the bike while you were trying to do that?
Oh, actually, I not injured during
Mhm.
when I learned how to.
You didn't enjoy
Uh,
it.
no, not even till now.
Why?
I
Find it
ride very carefully bicycle as well as drive car very carefully. So
understandable, understandable. So tell me, were you good at
yeah.
making friends?
What am I good in?
Were you good at making friends?
Yes, I am good making friends.
And still you're
Whenever
good
I
at making
whenever I go, I make 2 or 3 friends everywhere.
friends. And in childhood, you were also the same.
Yeah. Still, I am in a connect with my childhood friend, and
Okay.
I.
Mm-hmm. Do you
And
still
what
talk
about
to
you? Yeah, of course I talk.
them? Mm-hmm.
What
And
about you?
who's your
Are you
best friend?
good to make
Do
friends?
you, oh, sorry?
So you
I mean,
don't
I
have
do make friends,
lots
but
of
I,
friends?
I, I do talk to a lot of people when I go somewhere. I'm very cheerful, but I don't really make friends.
Okay. So are you a introvert type person or what?
I don't fit in any of those. I don't even
Okay.
fit in introversion. I don't even fit in ambiversion. There's something called an ambivert, right?
Yeah, I am
There
the
is an introvert, then there is a extrovert. I don't fit in any of those. I know one. I don't know what I am, right?
Okay.
So
Great.
yeah, who was your best friend, and are you still in contact with that person?
I think I am in a contact most of our childhood friend and even in our organization who is our current.
Okay,
So yes.
wonderful. So do you? Men are made of different material. If I would have been injured, I would have cried my heart out. Yeah, tell me some things you believed when you were a child, okay? But now when you think about them, they make you laugh, like ghosts, like those folklores that we really believe.
No, I am not believe in ghosts and all.
But still,
Uh,
a thing that you might have believed was true. Many people say that we believed Santa Claus was real, but when they were old
okay.
and they realized that it's not real, they were devastated. So, is there any such belief from your childhood? Was there anything that you believed when you were a child and now you don't believe it? Now you laugh about it.
No, not a such thing
I'll
I
give you an
believe.
example of me. I
Okay.
used to believe that all the all the animals of all the dogs and the cats have their separate houses, like they have a home.
Okay.
Okay. But when the morning comes, they come out of their homes. Okay. And like I used to believe that they have a house. Every animal has a house and they have this house that they live in. Then my mother told me,
Okay.
no, they sleep on streets.
Okay.
Now, see, this is the childhood belief that I had. Now I laugh about it. Do you have similar, or you were very smart, I think, as a child? You were not very smart, right?
Okay. So I think it's 1 minute remaining. So please suggest something to improve.
No, not 1 minute remaining. I think our sessions are for about 19 minutes. Don't you know that, Praveen?
It was 15 minutes that previously, so it is increased.
We give you 4 extra minutes.
Okay, okay.
At
I'm not
5:19 with all cuts. So the
okay.
session
I'm
is
not
about
aware.
19 minutes.
Okay, okay. Thanks. I am not aware about that actually.
You were not aware about that. Okay, I'll also put this to a halt. I'll ask last question. What was your worst punishment as a child?
Mm, I think I was beaten with slippers. Yeah,
Okay.
my mom
Usually do with
beat.
every
Oh,
Desi kid has
it was
suffered that,
horrible.
I think.
Actually, that was not my mistake actually. So
Mm-hmm.
my mom sent me to call my brother. That he was playing cricket outside. So I went there and told them that my mom is calling you, and he made me to play with them.
Okay, he
That
made you play with them. It's
yeah, he made me play with them. So
mm-hmm.
I also started playing with him, and I came back to home after a half an hour. I mean, 2 or 3 hours, I think. So as soon as I reached home, oh, mom started beating me with a sleeper. Oh my god.
I think you still remember how bad it was for you, I think. Okay, so coming back to the feedback, Praveen, I sometimes feel that you have a little bit of pronunciation errors. Okay,
Okay.
a little bit of pronunciation errors. Not they're not very prominent. They're not very there, but they a little bit. Sometimes
Okay.
they show a little bit. A
Right.
little mother tongue influence, I would say. Uh, Also, you while you were narrating the story of the funny story of how you were laughing and all, you used simple present while you were describing something that has happened in the past.
Right.
Okay, we do use simple present to talk about stories. Okay, but that
Okay.
is when you are reciting a tale, like once upon a time there was a princess, and she was usually what happens in simple present is used when you are narrating something, when it's
Right.
live, right? And she's combing her hair, she's doing this. But usually when in conversation we narrate a story, we use simple past,
Right.
right? You should have said, we were laughing, and then our
Okay.
boss told us to leave the place, as
Right.
this discipline is not allowed, right? So
Okay.
you use simple present, sorry, simple
Simple
past.
past.
Okay, simple past is usually used
Okay.
when narrating something that has happened in the past. For now, what I would suggest is continue practicing. Okay, your
Okay.
simple sentence formation is getting better.
Okay.
Okay, simple sentence formation needs to be better first. Remember that, Praveen. Okay,
Right.
then we go to complex sentence making. Then we go to complex sentence making, and then we use vocabulary. Okay, I
Okay.
will still suggest to go through the vocabulary for today. It's very simple. The vocabulary is very simple today. Okay,
Okay.
it's actually something that you must know. Some words you will find difficult to understand. Use Google. Use
Okay.
use your sentence making skills. Right. For
Right.
now, what I will suggest is read a paragraph a day. Okay, practice in
Okay.
front of mirror